So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy things on Amazon with PayPal. So normally when you want to buy stuff from Amazon, you have to pay with a debit or credit card. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to pay with PayPal. So for this, we want to buy what's it called? Gift cards. And on Dundle.com, you can buy gift cards with PayPal. So if you go to gift cards and then to Amazon, you can see that there is, let's wait for it to load. We can see lots of different gift cards. If we go to the Amazon gift card right now, then we can see that there is different amounts of money. So let's say you would choose the $5 gift card, and oh yeah, you have to select your country, by the way, or else it's only, as you can see, redeemable in the United States. So choose your country. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with the United States for this video, and just click on order. Once you click on order, yeah, it's right here. You want to click on checkout. You need to fill in your email address, which I'm going to do right now. Click on checkout, and as you can see right here, you can see PayPal. And once you see PayPal, you can just click on checkout, and this will just bring you over to PayPal right here. And here you have to log into your PayPal account, and you can buy the gift card from that, and you will get an email with the code, and you can fill in that code if you are going to check out on the Amazon.com. So that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.